Hello everyone, my name is Imad. Today I'm going to talk about an important topic in SQL Server, which is the SA account. As everybody knows, when you do the installation for SQL Server, you have the two options: the Windows Authenticated mode or the mixed mode, where SQL Server authentication and Windows authentication combined. As you may know, the Windows authentication is the best and secure way. However, there are many applications that requires SQL account, a local database account. One of the most famous SQL authenticated accounts is the SA account. The SA account is the most powerful account, and it's considered similar to the SIS account for Oracle, for example. Now, how can we secure this account? After you do the installation of SQL Server, make sure that the SA account is disabled. As you can see here, under the security tab, you have a list of logins. One of them for sure is the SA account. In my case here, the SA account is not disabled. Otherwise, you will see a downside arrow, red arrow. So basically, if you go right click and properties, you can see that this is the SA account. That's the password. It's not visible. And then go to the status. Now, as you can see, the account is enabled. So the first thing we need to do after the installation is, as I said, you need to make sure that the account is disabled. So you need to disable the account. However, it's also advisable that you need to change the SA account with a complex password. Just write any through password generation or a password that has a complex mix. As we see here, the password is accepted. Now, why we need to secure the SA account? What's the idea of securing the SA account? SA account is a powerful account. If somebody was able to log on to your machine or remotely access your machine through the SA account, he can do a lot of damage. This is why in the future I'm going to talk about something called auditing. We need to enable auditing on your box to make sure that every operation that happens against your instance is being logged. So, to be back, the SA account, as I said, is a powerful account. How can we secure it more? There's a trick, which is renaming the SA account to a different name, a dummy name. So through this T-SQL query, I will be able to change the SA account to a new name. In our case, it's Sylvester. If you refresh, you would see that the SA account has been changed to Sylvester. It's a kind of a camouflage. I mean, if the attacker or the hacker or the guy who's trying to figure out where is the SA account, he wouldn't find it. It's so confusing. However, and this is the catch, if the if the guy has some experience in SQL Server, he will still find and he will still detect or find out that the Sylvester is the SA account. Using this query. So if I say select star from sys.syslogins where system ID equals 0 times 01. This is the offset SID by design, by Microsoft design. So if the attacker is smart enough, if he executes this query, he would know that Sylvester, as you see here, is the SA account. Of course, the password here is hashed with the rubbish data. It gives you the creation date, update date, etc. So camouflaging is a good way. It's not gonna harm you if you rename your SA login to a different name. The most important thing that you and your DBA colleagues are aware of the new name that you're gonna replace with the SA account. There are many what I'm trying to say is that you need, as a DBA, you need to make sure and ensure that all in place authorization controls are in place. Again, SA account is the most powerful account in the SQL Server instance, and we need to make sure that this account is not compromised. Otherwise, if somebody was able to use this account, a severe damage will happen. I hope this small session is a benefit for everybody. I'm gonna continue posting videos on YouTube. Please follow me in this YouTube channel, and also please follow me in my blog SQLServerWarrior.wordpress.com. Thank you everyone.